Welcome to the most epic showdown that you've ever seen. Today we're going to be making the BEG sandwich, bacon, eggs, and guac. If you think you've had a sandwich before, think again. Alright, let's get a bit nostalgic. The BLT, a sandwich so legendary. It's practically the Elvis of the food world, so we have to honor its classic roots before we make it better. The BLT was born out of culinary chaos in the early 1920s New York when a frazzled chef named Barnaby L. Thompson ran out of ingredients for his usual recipe. Spotting bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes in the kitchen, he grabbed each ingredient and threw it all together. And to his surprise, customers loved it. Barnaby ended up naming the sandwich after himself, BLT, and what started as a quick fix ended up as an iconic sandwich.
Let's begin with the avocado. We're gonna slice down the side until we hit the pit and circle around the avocado just like that. It's like opening a treasure chest, but instead of gold, we've got a big, fugly pit. Go ahead and take the pit out and scoop the avocado into a medium-sized bowl. Time to slice those tomatoes. We're not just adding color, we're adding a juicy kick. Just make sure they're ready to get the grand entrance later. Next, shallots. Slice those shallots thin and evenly. Think paper thin, and toss it in with the avocados. Next up, garlic. We're looking for a punch of flavor, so don't hold back. Smash, chop, mince, however you do it. Just get that garlic into the mix, and into the bowl. Now grab yourself some cilantro. It's the herb that's gonna bring this whole dish together, so don't skimp on the flavor. Add it to the bowl, and let's get some citrus into the mix. Cut a lemon in half, and add a splash of lemon juice into the bowl. Mix the avocado spread well. At this point, we should have avocados, shallots, garlic, cilantro, and lemon all in one bowl. And make sure you're tasting everything as you go. As I suspected, we need a pinch of salt. Let's taste it one more time for good measure. Still missing something. Ah, that's right. Almost forgot the pepper. Now let's season the bacon. I'm using a homemade hatch green chili powder for this. Now let's get these babies into the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 25 minutes. If you like crispy bacon like I do, try setting the bacon on a wire rack. Now, pan on, add a drizzle of olive oil, then crack those eggs into the skillet and let them sizzle. When your eggs are ready, go ahead and give them a flip. Give your sourdough a drizzle of oil and place onto your skillet to toast. And don't forget to show some love to the backside of the sourdough. Once the bottoms are nice, golden, and toasty, let's give them a flip. Alright, let's talk veggies. Toss a handful of arugula into a bowl, a handful of sprouts into a bowl, olive oil and vinegar on top, and mix it all until it's well combined. Now it's time to assemble. Start by grabbing a slice of our toasted sourdough bread and spread a generous layer of Chipotle Mayo on top. Now spread the avocado mix over the other slice. We're building layers of flavor, so don't be shy. Make it generous. Now lay those crispy bacon strips on top of the avocado mix. Gently place your eggs right on top of the bacon. Now add your arugula and sprout mix, and finally top it off with our tomato slices. Complete the sandwich and enjoy.
And there you have it, the BEG sandwich in all its glory. Crispy bacon, creamy guac, and a touch of egg magic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and tune in for the next recipe.